All right, hey everybody. Just headed off to go get a little lunch here in my motorhome that I got for $7,000, and I was lucky enough to buy it from the gentleman's insurance company directly. So it didn't go through an auction or anything. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a 2007 Country Coach Affinity that is actually at Coparts. It's been totaled and it's at the auction. I've been watching it since it'd been listed. I was the very first person to bid on it when it broke open at 100. Since then, it's finally auction day. It's about 5 minutes into the auction, probably another hour until that actual lot goes up for bid. But in the video that I did with Andrew Steele, and I'll put a link below, I talk about how much I'd be willing to spend for it. And I limited myself at about $50,000, maybe $52,000, plus I was gonna have to pay some pretty heavy fees. So it's not even being bid on heavily yet, and it's already at $61,000. And in my opinion, which they're kind of like buttholes, everybody has one, that's too much money. Because one, the coach needs tires. So there's 8 tires at well over probably $500 a piece. And then it has the original inverters in it also. Older RS 3000s, which by this point aren't really reliable. We replace them on a pretty steady basis at the shop here. I do know that we go through a lot of coaches, so we do see a lot of units, but today we just actually had to replace one this morning. I've got another one that I've got to replace later in the week. So it's just the point, and those are about $1,500 a piece. So we're talking about $3,000 there. We're talking about $4,000 worth of tires, and we're talking the installation of the tires and so on and so forth. So you're already talking about another 10 grand you got to dump in it, and you haven't even started on the body work. So we're gonna film the auction as it progresses and see what this final price is. But I'm gonna go in, take a few bites to eat, and I'll fire this bad boy back up, and we'll see what that thing sells for. Alrighty, everyone, lunch is over. We're gonna move up front here, just hanging out at Premier RV Sales and Service of Oregon, doing some work for them. We're gonna come over here. So we're doing a sidewall on one of these 2007 Affinity, actually a 2006 Affinity. That's just like that coach at the auction, except the forward end hasn't leaked. So I got a pretty good idea what it takes to do one. And here it is with the new skin on it. As you see, we've had to come along and take the whole skirt off and all the bay doors, and then come in and put a new skin on here. A job like this can cost upwards to easily $20,000 to $25,000. And then that one in the auction, this whole section, but I'm gonna run us up here to the front, jump behind one of the computers so that way you guys can get a good image. And we're gonna watch this auction end and see how much somebody has to pay plus fees for this 2007, and then take the project along to try to even get it back on the road. So here we go, on up to the offices. All right, everyone, I've made it up here to the front. I'm at Damon Repezzo's office. I'm getting ready to watch that auction on that 07. He's done a couple of videos with Andrew. I'll put a link below if you want to check out the videos that he did. He has a good web page that has a lot of information that goes back to what got changed on each model year, which a lot of people are curious of that, like what options came next and whatnot. So we're gonna steal his computer so we can get a view on what's going on here, and hopefully you guys will be able to see. So this is a 2011 Ford Econoline, and this is the bidding circle. So our upcoming units are this International, and then this trailer, a camper, a couple more trailers. But the one we're really here for is that Country Coach right there. And in the link below is the video that I did with Andrew when I kind of did a walk around on it. All right, so here we go, everyone. This is that Country Coach. We got a $60,000 bid on it right now, so we'll just continue to watch it. In my personal opinion, that's a little much to pay for this, especially if you're not going to do the work itself. Oh, look at that, California coming in hot with $70,500. So it's not just Oregon. Oh, sold on approval. So maybe we'll see if that gets relisted. If it does, I'll give you an updated video. But it looks like it went for $70,500, which is about $30,000 more than I was willing to spend. Because I know that coach needs at least, like I said earlier, tires, inverters. Thanks everyone for watching and hitting that subscribe button. Do those notifications so you don't miss any videos. And I hope you're all having a great day. Till next time. Bye-bye.